we assume that restores the relationship, that it gives back the context that our ancestral state had. But you're totally right that a lot of times we don't think about the fact that if there were a certain number of species that have died off during this really processed food revolution, if it has been gone for two or three or four generations, you may never even come into contact with another person who has those original species that our gut microbiome depended on.
Following the Neolithic revolutions, we increased the numbers of copy of amylase, so to digest wheat, uh, carbohydrates from wheat and the other rice, etc. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you are now adapted perfectly to this diet.
And the fact that we increased our amylase copy number after the agricultural revolution began, the person savoring the carbohydrates in the domesticated crop species a little bit more probably had more calories available to have more kids. That would be a selected trait. But in the actual anthropology record, lifespan didn't go up, health didn't go up. We're not looking for the optimal ancestral state because that's a naive idea to start with.